Hello everyone. Here we are presenting an experiment WhatsApp application effective tool for campus placement preparation. As we know, there is a sudden expansion in engineering colleges in last decade. As a consequence, we get low quality student at countryside. Here are some observations. These students always depends on faculty, friends or others for some kind of assistance. If they don't understand concepts, then instead of approaching faculty or taking efforts to clear the concepts, they leave that topic and proceed for the next. We find that some students mug up the contents and some students prefer always to study in groups. They work in team but they will not sustain individually. Due to university curriculum, students are more busy with examinations throughout the semester for continuous assessment, so they pay more attention towards exam and marks. They claim that they find less time for placement preparation activities. It is also observed that students want quick result at the cost of less efforts. Institution arrange many placement activities during vacations like personality development workshops, technical and aptitude tests. Even department tries to prepare their students for campus. So faculty members are appointed in the department for this purpose. But what students do? They claim that they don't find time for placement preparation activities. So no active participation of the students in the activities though they are arranged. They do 11th hour preparation, and due to lack of preparation, students fail to crack first round and not eligible for further rounds. So we need to think some factors. So what we can do, we can bring some innovations in teaching learning process. We have to remember that youngsters' addiction of mobiles, Android apps, even they are actively participating in social networking, instant messengers. So why not to use these things in teaching learning process to actively engage the students? So what is the solution? Use of technology in education. And which technology? WhatsApp. So WhatsApp application as an effective tool. Why WhatsApp? As of February 2016, statistics shows that WhatsApp had a user base of up to 1 billion, making it world's most popular messaging application. Even Times of India survey report shows that 97% of Indian users use communication apps every day. We think that WhatsApp will attract students. It will facilitate instant messaging, that is online collaboration and cooperation. It will enhance knowledge sharing among students. It will allow students to share learning material, and it can be used as discussion forum platform. So what are our objectives? A learning community TEIT class placement preparation is formed using WhatsApp application to enhance students' conceptual understanding of courses from computer and allied branches. Skills like communication, group discussion, managerial skills, and active participation for daily learning. To create, share, and refer repositories of technical stuff. So what is our WhatsApp activity? So it is divided in 3 steps. First, conduction of a meeting to form the activity. Second, formation of the group. And the third one, daily activity. So we will see one by one each activity. A meeting was conducted by class coordinator to discuss about this activity, rules and regulations, and ethics. Students voluntarily joined this group. This group was formed on 2nd February 2016. A schedule was prepared for each student where each student has got chance to conduct the activity or to conduct this activity as a coordinator. What was our daily activity? Every day, one student coordinator posted 10 questions at 7 p.m. and 30 minutes duration for posting answers. The questions were of different difficulty level as per Bloom's taxonomy, like recall, understand, apply, analyze, and evaluate. The courses covered were C, C++, Java programming, data structure, Unix operating system, computer networks, design and analysis of algorithms, software engineering, and software testing. This activity was daily conducted continuously for 2 months. These are some snapshots where the questions are posted by student coordinator and 30 minutes duration was assigned. If a particular student is not able to manage the activity, alternative arrangements were made for smooth conduction of activity so that students will not miss their day. Students posted questions by texting or by image file. So these are some responses. Students can refer books, internet or any other material for answering the questions. Objective was not to get the marks or to score the marks or prize, but to revisit the concept if they are not recalling or attempt the questions if they have knowledge about it. It may be the possibility that some students may have copied the answers, but the sole objective was individual's growth rather than scoring in particular test. And this objective was clearly mentioned by faculty member. Time's up. So after 30 minutes, student coordinator posts correct answer and evaluate the answers of all the members. After analysis, he or she announces the winner who first posted all the answers correctly. Fastest finger first. Most important is for this posting 10 questions, student visited many websites, referred books and other material and collected around 200 to 300 questions and also got the knowledge about existing repositories. After posting the answers, students start discussing the answer, which option is correct and why it is correct. So they got a chance to clarify their doubts. Even as this test was immediately followed by discussion, it helped students to clarify doubts which will be long-lasting effect. They have not discussed only in this group, but this discussion was continued next day in a class also. They have not discussed about the questions, but this forum was utilized for discussing the placement related activities or current happenings in the IT industry and so on. So as you can see, here it is a control group and experimental group. Control group, the students which have not participated in WhatsApp activity, whereas experimental group participated in this WhatsApp activity daily for 30 to 40 minutes. But both the group attended 1 hour per week class activity. Here are some results and analysis. We have analyzed the participation in discussion in this WhatsApp activity and we have found that 60% students actively participated, 30% students participated rarely, whereas 10% students not participated in discussion. Some observations. Students found interest in participating placement activities. They have created a repository. They got information about different education sites which will be helpful for placement preparation. Students coordinated activities which help them to improve their skills. Students came to know about different difficulty level of questions. Discussions continued even in the class related to questions posted on the previous day. Students started referring material like books, e-material, internet, etc. And moreover, students started discussing and collaborating. Here are some students' achievements. SEED IT Idol competition was held at university level where more than 5,000 students participated from all the colleges and 500 students from our institution. And 3 students, those who have participated in this group activity, was selected in top 20 for the final round. Persistent System Limited Pune conducted a technical test for students' internship and 3 students from this group were also selected for this particular internship. WhatsApp can be used an effective tool for multiple learning purposes. Faculty and students can discuss about any topic or the course. This can be used for blended mode also, where faculty can post the material like video or PPT. Student can observe it and discuss in the next day. This can be also used as effectively as a discussion forum where students will improve their conceptual understanding of the subject's skills like communication, technical, and managerial. So we want to hear from you about this experiment. Before that, let us hear from our student.
My name is Shubham Ganam Pawar. I am from IT department, WIT College, Solapur. This WhatsApp quiz activity was an awesome experience for me. I got placed in a TSPL for a project sponsorship. The whole credit goes to this WhatsApp activity. And another main thing is I am a top 20 from a SEED IT Idol competition, and the whole credit also goes to the our staff's this activity. I am so thankful for our student coordinator and staff coordinator for this activity.
From third year IT department WIT Solapur. I was part of WhatsApp activity of our class, and I actively participated on this group for technical application preparation. So I got selected in the ESPL company for the project internship in the first attempt. Thank you.
Hello, myself Prajot Suwazgulane from WIT Solapur, IT department. I am class representative of my class TIT. I created an WhatsApp group for sharing these aptitude test and aptitude knowledges with all the updates about the class. I was responsible for allocating schedule for all of my classmates for posting their questions, for posting their updates on my WhatsApp group. It was really useful for sharing our technical knowledge to each of us classmates. I found it very useful for improving our technical knowledge, and it was really helpful to me also for enhancing my leadership skill. And I am really thankful to my all classmates for their support, and to also my staff coordinator.
Jessica Patil, studying third year in information technology from WIT Solapur. I was part of this activity. I was working as administrator. Everybody took active participation in this activity. Three of them got selected for internship. This was the first time we used the social networking app WhatsApp for the education purpose. Thanks for this activity, sir. Thank you.
Manisha Kadam from IT department WIT Solapur. I was part of this activity which was conducted throughout this semester. It was very helpful for me because I have selected for SEED IT Idol competition which was held under university level. Thanks for such activity. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Raghavendra Parshuram Gaikwad from Origin Institute of Technology, Solapur, IT department. Our staff conducted one WhatsApp activity. In that WhatsApp activity, technical questions are posted. Because of that activity, I got selected in a PSPL project sponsorship. As this activity gave me more confidence to how to solve technical questions, how to manage time to solving that question. So I will thankful to our staff. So thank you so much.